Guys, what is so awesome about the Ultra Choice Eliminator plugin, okay? So when you enable the plugin, it comes up with this menu right over here. The cool thing is when you can select a trigger here, okay, and you can select the whole question, or you can select individual areas of that to eliminate. So for this one, we'll just do the whole question, okay? For that one, we're gonna say we want 50 of these tickets to be available, okay? And then on the action here, we can either remove it once that threshold is met, mark out of stock, or stop the whole form altogether. So we're just gonna just say mark out of stock for now. And then target, for this one, we're just going to target the whole question that we want the mark out of stock to happen to, okay? And then I just hit that add condition, okay? And that saves it right up the top here. I'll save the form here in just a second to show you how that works, okay? So now if I wanted to go down here with this popcorn event over here, okay, if I want to edit that, what I can do here is I can do what popcorn we want, whole question, or just the caramel popcorn. Let's do just caramel popcorn. We want to say that there's only 20 of the caramel popcorn available. Select action. We're going to just remove that question altogether if we want. And then come down here, caramel popcorn is going to be removed on the action there. So click that. And then the other cool thing is how many pizzas do we want to order? Let's do another one here. So how many pizzas? This one's a little bit different, so we'll do the whole question here. This one can do just a text format, which I love. That's what I love about that. We're going to say that we have 10 pizzas available. Select action. We're going to just mark out of stock, and then the pizzas here, the whole question, mark out of stock if those are not available. And then the other cool thing that you can do here is like the toppings for the pizzas. Let's say that, for example, the pepperoni here, we only have let's say that we want to do and add one more condition here. So we want to actually say that the pizza, for example, if the pizzas are out of stock, so we can put 50 here for the whole question, or go back to 20 there. And then we want to say that we're going to remove the pizzas. We're going to remove here the pepperoni. Okay, so now if the pizza question reaches 20, then we can remove the pepperoni from the list. And you can, this is just an example, but you can use this in so many different situations. Now, the other cool thing is right down here, display settings, we can check this to show the stock count, the prefix before. So we can say only, and then it'll give a number, and then the suffix after, so only a number more. So for example, so I'm just gonna save this and you'll see what it means. So save display settings, yes. Then I'm gonna hit the refresh stock now. Now watch what happens to this whole form here. Once I hit the refresh here, okay, oops, got it, okay. So now you can see all these numbers that popped up, okay, only 20 more. It changed the name of everything. Let's see, change the name here. So only how many tickets for Thursday singing event? Only 45 more. That's because I already had 4 entered in before, so it connects to the sheet. So now if I come here and I do a preview, you can actually see how everything's working. So if I come here and I choose, let's say, 4 more seats with that, and then I click submit, then it's going to come down and then it's going to change that to say 40 seats or 41 seats, okay? And then you can see this one, caramel popcorn, on the 20 more, so I'd apply just to that. I didn't set it up anything for butter popcorn. So hopefully this gives you kind of the right idea. This has so many options, functionality for what you're getting in just one plugin. So hopefully this helps you guys out.